Being a certified detailer right now only, so we have Herrenfurt, we have SB3.
मतलब नथिंग, पूरा का पूरा साफ होता है. फॉर माई बाइकर व्यूअर्स,
So it comes to this. So it has
मेरे सिविक के बारे में अगर हम बोले,
Civic will cost you around.
हाउ कम यू बिकेम द सर्टिफाइड डिटेलर? व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ सेरेमिक एंड अ ग्राफिन, और व्हाट इज देयर इज ओनली 2% इन कोलकाता.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tat.
Hey yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog of Shroom's Lifestyle, and we are here at Code Detailing. मैंने बोला था 2-3 वीडियोस में कि कोड के ऊपर वीडियो आएगा बहुत ही जल्दी, एंड फाइनली वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी. लेकिन बाहर बारिश हो रहा है. एनी विच वेज, तो फर्स्ट आप थोड़ा सिनेमेटिक्स एंजॉय कर लो, देन मिलाते हैं आपको कोविदा से मिला के बताएंगे कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ हो रहा है, क्योंकि जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ होता है इधर में दैट इज़ ऑल ब्रांडेड एंड प्रॉपरली गाड़ी वॉश होगा. तो सब प्रोसेस और सिस्टम जो है सब कुछ आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going down, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I can see my dreams. I'll make things right, 'cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right, 'cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
सो हियर वी हैव कोविदा.
Hello.
पहले आपका नंबर और कोड का एड्रेस बता दो.
9073274255. That is the calling number. You can WhatsApp in 9874848745. If you know Lords, from the Lords crossing, you come towards Golf Green, and there is Kathleen. Just opposite to that is the link.
ओके, सो गूगल मैप का लिंक तो आप लोगों को डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल ही जाएगा. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव माय फ्रेंड्स कार, देवारकोस कार. यू ऑल नो दिस एस-क्रॉस वेरी वेल, ठीक है. एंड एस-क्रॉस लेके आए, कुछ दिनों बाद मेरा सिविक आएगा क्योंकि उसमें कुछ बाकी है अभी धमाका होना. सो फर्स्टली दिस इज़ इन फॉर अ प्रॉपर वॉश, ठीक है. 2 टाइप्स. ओके, सो डिस्क्राइब द 2 प्लीज.
Basically, the first wash, that is the basic one. So it does not include cleaning. And the last, like the detail wash, it includes cleaning, and then we take out the wheels and do the full wheels properly, and
Okay.
the suspensions.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ पर वॉश?
It starts from 850 and then it goes to 1200.
ठीक है. अगर बोलोगे कि 850 तो भाई वॉश के लिए ज़्यादा है, एंड यू कैन सी दिस कार क्लीन्ड. इसके पहले आप लोगों ने सिनेमेटिक्स में पूरा का पूरा देखा होगा कि कितने टाइम लेके, कितना मेहनत लेके एक गाड़ी को वॉश किया जाता है. एक गाड़ी अप्रोक्सीमेटली वॉश करने में कितना टाइम लगता है?
2.5 hours.
यस, एंड आई एम हियर फ्रॉम अराउंड 4 एंड अभी बज रहे हैं 6:30 एंड अभी जाके पूरा गाड़ी कंप्लीट हुआ है एंड वी आर मेकिंग द वीडियो. सो फर्स्टली कोविदा, क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ होते हैं फॉर द वॉश?
So basically, if your car is like extremely dirty, then we do a pre-soak. Pre-soak is basically, it has like the emulsifier which breaks down the dust without touching the body. So for that we use F-bomb, American Detailing Garage.
ओके,
So this is a versatile product which uses for pre-soak, for decons, for your wheel walls, for grease, tar, everything. And after the pre-soak is done, we use Shine Supply Wise Guy. This is for tire cleaner. excellent. What this product does is like it cleans the tire so well. After you apply the tire polish, it bonds for a longer time. So if your wheel is not clean, you cannot apply the tire polish. It won't stick properly. Maybe it will shine for that day, and after that it's gone easily. For bucket, we use Wipeout and the liquid elements called in. This is for the bucket. We use 2 bucket method, one clean water and one with these 2 combos. This mainly helps in lubrication, and this is another shampoo which helps to remove the excess dirt which is left after the pre-soak is done. And for the foam, we use Shine Shot from Shine Supply. This is an excellent product. It helps to break down the products which is left over after the detailing garage F-bomb couldn't do. So these are the main products which helps in the washing. So the main important thing is you need to know how to wash the car properly. That is the major thing which will bring the scratches back, or that will reduce the scratches after your car is being corrected or something.
ठीक है, I want to interrupt in something कि Kovid is the owner of Code, ठीक है, and he does the whole job himself, ठीक है. मैंने कभी किसी को नहीं देखा कि जो अपने शॉप में खुद काम करते हैं, and he does it, मतलब सब कुछ खुद ही करते हैं. कोविद प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि फर्स्ट क्या क्या प्रोसेसेस होता है गाड़ी में, कितने बार फोम लगता है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये लोग तो ऑलरेडी सिनेमैटिक्स में एवरीथिंग आई हैव शोन देम ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, कि कितना बारीकी से सब कुछ होता है. फर्स्टली देन यू टेल.
Okay, so basically you need to start with the wheels. Never start with the body, start with the wheels. So first you apply the F-bomb in a particular dilution. Do the wheels, do a pre-soak on the wheels. When the grimes and everything fall apart, then you go for the foam. Apply the foam on the full wheel and then scrub it down a little bit, as much as it is. Left it for around 5 to 6 minutes. Let all the grimes come down. Then apply the Wise Guys, that is the wheel cleaner. So apply it, scrub it again. Your wheel is completely clean. Then go for the wheel walls. Again spray the F-bomb. Use the F-bomb on the wheel walls. Or you can use the Wise Guy also. Clean it, wheels are done, go through all the wheels separately, 4 wheels are done, then go for the body. If you see that the body is like little bit of dusty, then you use a pre-soak. If it's not, then wash it down first, then use the pre-soak. So first that foam is done, let it draw down little bit, let the grimes and everything, hard waters and all those things come down. Those things are done, then apply for the final foam. Use the foam, scrub all the small bits with a hog brush. Do not use nylon brushes because it will scratch the paint. Use a hog brush, go through the logos, go through the window joints and everything, small crevices. Let the grime again come down, then go for the bucket. In the bucket, it has to be like always 2 bucket method. One clean water, one with the shampoo. So your mitt has to be completely clean every time you apply it on the body. So you take the foam, you take the bucket shampoo, you apply it. Do not use it like circular wise, use it like straight motions. 1 stroke, 2 stroke, flip the towel, flip the mitt, use it again. Then clean it with the second bucket, then go through the same process. Completely done. After that, let it dry for at least like for 50 seconds and then use the towel. Do not use it while it's complete, like after washing, don't immediately go use the towel. So you can use a drying towel, you can use, if you have a big boy dryless, touchless dryer, then use that. Or you can use a auto fiber, like dedicatedly drying towel. Do not use random drying towels, use a proper drying towel. It will save a lot of time.
दिस वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ वॉशिंग एंड गाड़ी पूरा देख सकते हो आप लोग, एंड कितना कचरा निकला है वो साइड में प्ले हो रहा है गाड़ी से, ठीक है. एंड जस्ट चेक आउट द शाइन. दिस इज़ विदाउट एनी पेंट करेक्शन, एनी काइंड ऑफ कोटिंग. दिस इज़ जस्ट वॉश, ठीक है. प्रॉपरली गाड़ी को एक बार आप चेकआउट कर लो ऊपर से. एंड इफ़ यू कम टू द साइड पोर्शन, चेक दिस थिंग आउट. एंड रेयर पोर्शन भी आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे ऑब्वियसली. दिस इज़ द रेयर पोर्शन ऑफ द कार. अगर मैं पास में भी जाऊँ ना, यू गाइस कैन चेक आउट द शाइन. एंड टायर्स देखना है भाई, नए जैसे लग रहे हैं पूरा. एंड पूरा का पूरा अंदर से लेके सब कुछ साफ़ होता है. लाइक यू गाइस कैन सी देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल मड और डर्ट, ठीक है. इधर से भी चेकआउट करना चाहते हो तो चेकआउट कर लो, देर इज़ मतलब नथिंग, पूरा का पूरा साफ़ होता है. सो कोविदा, वी आर डन फॉर द वॉशिंग पार्ट एंड व्हाट एल्स यू डू?
This is the basic starting wash, and then it goes to paint correction. One test panel is done. You can see it. I might be able to show you the difference. This is the condition after the washing is done. Like you can see the swirls. Like see the defect light, and it shows the swirls. You can see the haziness of the full paint here in this part. So it comes to this. So it has to be completely crystal clear. Like no swirls, no nothing. So this is the bare paint which has been corrected. On top of that, you can go for coatings, you can go for paint sealants, you can go for graphenes, you can go for ceramic, a lot of options, PPF, everything is there.
ओनली दिस पैनल इज डन पेंट करेक्शन. ठीक है, पूरा का पूरा पेंट करेक्शन हुआ है, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कोविदा को करते हुए. ठीक है, मैं साइड में प्ले भी कर दूंगा. एंड ऑल ऑफ द कार इज़ नॉट पेंट करेक्टेड. तो इधर में आप देख सकते हो एंड इधर में आप देख सकते हो, आपको डिफरेंस कैमरे में ही पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है, आई डोंट हैव टू यूज़ अ फ्लैश लाइट, नॉर्मल कैमरे से ही आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. एंड व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंट करेक्शन ऑफ अ होल कार?
See, it starts from 5,800, and if it's a factory car, it's going to be 5,800. If it's a repainted car, it depends how much orange peel is there, how much I have to sand it down, how much correction it needed. So it depends. Like it will be around 8,000 rupees, max to max.
ठीक है. एंड फॉर माई बाइकर व्यूअर्स, सो व्हाट अबाउट द बाइक्स? बाइक्स में क्या क्या होता है?
Bikes washing, basic wash, and there is one detail wash. So in the detail
Starts from
250.
okay, it's
Basic
very
wash
cheap. Okay.
is from 250, and the detail wash is around 450. So in 450 we use all the grease and the chains, everything is like completely clean. And then if you want a lube, we can use the lube as well.
एंड गाड़ी में और सेरेमिक के बारे में अगर हम बोले, ग्राफीन के बारे में अगर आप बोले, तो क्या क्या अवेलेबल है आपके पास?
See, being a certified detailer right now only, so we have Herrenford, we have SB3, we have Kamakaze, and yeah, these are the products. Like you can go and check out Herrenford. Obviously, nobody has to tell about Kamakaze, but you can go and check out Herrenford. You can go check out SB3. These are the two leading brands right now. So these are the professional lines. You need to know how to apply it properly because there are a lot of steps which is followed up in this coatings, and the outcome is like massive. You won't get it.
Okay, so what is the cost of ceramic coating a car like S-Cross?
S-Cross will start around 18,000.
18,000.
With
And
corrections done.
corrections with corrections?
With correction, yeah.
Okay, and what about Alto?
Alto will be around 13.
ठीक है, अगर हम SUV और सेडान, मेरे सिविक के बारे में अगर हम बोले तो?
Civic will cost you around 22.5.
ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट SUV, बिग साइज कार?
Big size will go up to 28.
ठीक है. एंड ग्राफीन के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ सेरेमिक एंड अ ग्राफीन, और व्हाट इज द अप्रॉक्सीमेट कॉस्ट?
See, graphene and ceramic doesn't have really that much of visual appearance difference, to be honest. So what happens is that graphene is basically right now is the strongest material on the world. So the strength of graphene is a little bit better than ceramic. Hydrophobicness is same as ceramic. The gloss obviously a little bit better on graphene, but if you go for a top of the line ceramics, then it's almost equal. Why graphene is little bit costly doesn't harm you a lot in your pocket, but it's like around 2,000-3,000 rupees just difference. That is the only thing. But if you go for a SB3 Trinity, which is only given to a certified detailer, which is a 7 years of coat, that is massive. That is the ultimate gloss that you can get on a car.
ठीक है. सो व्हाट अबाउट PPF?
PPF, stick, and hexus and titanium.
ठीक है.
So it starts from 24,000 right now.
एंड गो स्टिल?
Goes to, if you go for stick, it's going to be 84, 85.
84,000 for a PPF. It's massive. So Kobita, I would like you to tell people something about yourself, कि आपने कहाँ से डिग्री लिया है and how come you became the certified detailer?
So basically, I have been working under a person who is IDA certified right now, and he is the only one in India who has been certified by Kamakaze. He is from Rajasthan, and I have been taking training under him for more than like almost 2 years now. So worked with him, saw him working, He trained me for like, did a lot of mistakes, got scoldings, got beaten up also. Slowly I understood what are the flaws, because you see, detailing is not just you teach, okay? It is more about how deep you can go and understand the paint properly.
Basically, detailing is an art.
Detailing is an art. Like if you like go to the Instagram of our page, you will see that detailing is an art. And the thing is, obviously detailing was never a commercial thing. It has started because to preserve the exotics and to preserve the cars which has been going for exhibitions and for show purpose. So maintaining those cars, detailing came in. So now people started because they want to keep their car as pristine as they want, and for a longer period of time. So people, just to remind you guys that it's not a cheap thing, and if you go for a properly certified detailer and a proper certified brands, the effect between commercial and proper detailing, you will understand once you get it done up by any certified people.
So I want to say something that if you go to any detailing store, I would not name anybody. If you go to any detailing store, just ask them to show their certificates that they are the certified detailers. I don't think so कोलकाता में और कोई है like certified proper detailers except code, right? ये आपके point of view से क्या है?
One person is there.
Okay.
I really appreciate the person because his work is quite good.
So in whole Kolkata, one person except code is there. So there is only 2% in Kolkata. So I am making video in code. Try to come here any which ways. Thank you so much, Kavita. This was it for the video. And गाड़ी का एक बार ग्लेज देख लो भाई. Like I can see it the whole day. ये मेरा गाड़ी नहीं है, लेकिन मैं इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा घूमता हूँ. So I love this car a hell lot. अगर आपको कोड में आना है, कोड का काम देखना है, सो यू डेफिनेटली कैन फॉलो हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एट कोड डिटेलिंग. मैं लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. गूगल मैप लिंक्स विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. काम देखो भाई, काम देख के आओ. बहुत जगह काम देख लो, फिर इधर में आओ एंड सेटिस्फाई योरसेल्फ. ओके, सो दिस वाज इट फॉर द वीडियो. बहुत जल्द मेरा सिविक भी इधर में देखने को मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को, और भी गाड़ियों का देखने को मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को. सो इफ यू गाइस एंजॉय दिस वीडियो फॉर व्हाटसएवर रीजन, डू हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, turn the notification bells on, follow me on Instagram at @username404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye.